Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Namhlanje ke sihalalisela umpilo enhle Mseleko. Sithi congratulations kuwe for graduating. We can see lana ukubana she was studying at UKZN, and we can see her posting her beautiful pictures of a graduation. Sithi halala kuwe ntombi enhle. Like we can see both her moms were there, like her biological mother and her mom that raised her, uMakhumalo kungumfazi kababa Mseleko, the third wife of Musa Mseleko, who is utata kaMpilo Enhle Mseleko. So we can see here amafenzi ayatsho ukubana hi, let's hope again you're not going to forget your mom in and she replied washo but hey, and I will never see her as nothing sana. My moms are my world and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them and my father. I don't post my mom, she meant her biological mother, because I'm respecting the little private she has. Per her request, uNkulunkulu has blessed me abundantly with my parents. Thank you guys for the well wishes. I kona shame. You can see the difference between abantwana bethu esibakhulisako ukubana this one yena ke ufune ukubana abe ngumntwana, whatever that she was being told, she did it. This is why she is where she is today. Nangu Nkosi yami, she has graduated and ngempela simfisela okuhle ngempela. You can see even in the way, the mannerism of her replies ukubana hayi intombi eyithobile nyani. So we can see ukuthi both her mom uMakhumalo and umama ke, it's so funny because they are both their names are ngoThobile bonke. Her biological mom is Thobile and her mom, her present mom, the mom that raised her, naye nguThobile kwakhona. So it is a blessing indeed for her to acknowledge and appreciate both her moms. And siyabona ke people were like because at first uMusa Mseleko didn't post the pictures of the graduation, so we thought mhlawumbe uTata Mseleko he didn't go to the graduation like in respecting of umama kaMpilo, but no, he was there and they all congratulated her. And we saw also ukubana umntwana kaMangwabe uMawande also congratulated her. Thank you guys.